wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best baby imprint kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7, a pearhead baby print makes a handsome decoration for your home, whether you enjoy it all year round or use it only as a seasonal ornament. The kit comes with enough clay to make a disc large enough to accommodate any newborn's hand. It's got a very low price and includes a gender-neutral ribbon, but the print fades slightly with drying. At number 6, the Bubzi frame includes both a handprint and footprint to help you preserve precious memories of your child forever. One of its windows displays the 2 impressions made using the included clay, while the other 2 windows both hold pictures. It's made with shatter-resistant acrylic and can be hung or stand on a tabletop. However, it is only large enough for newborns. Coming in at number 5 on our list, the little hippo keepsake provides a lot of great extras for the price. You get a set of tiny alphanumeric stamps so you can neatly note the name and date. Plus you can make these into ornaments or simply display them on the 2 mini easels provided. It includes 4 different colored ribbons, but you do need to press pretty hard, and it may be too heavy to hang on a tree. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for baby imprint kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, the Tiny Ideas ornament comes with bright white clay and a handsome red ribbon that's perfect for making a Christmas decoration out of a youngster's hand or footprint. The extra soft clay is suitable for use even with the delicate hands or feet of a newborn. No mixing or baking is needed, and there are 5 shape options. However, it is quite soft even when dry. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, with the casting keepsakes Proud Baby, you get enough clay and a frame large enough to make a mold of the hand and foot of kids up to 3 years old. The center is supposed to hold a 5x7 photo, but you might need to trim it a little. It dries to a stone-like hardness and includes a writing tool. It's available in black or white. At number 2, the Ola Boutique set is unusual as it creates a positive 3D cast of an infant's hand or foot rather than a negative imprint. First, you make a mold by taking an impression in clay. Then you fill that mold with the included gypsum powder plaster to make the final product. It includes paint for the cast and comes with 3 background colors. It won't shrink or lose detail when it dries. And coming in at number 1 on our list, available in 4 colors to match most decor, the little hippo frame features a sturdy, heavy-duty frame that's guaranteed to last a lifetime. The included clay won't develop mold over time, and safety glass protects the finished product. It comes with easy-to-follow instructions, and no mixing or baking are required. It dries completely in 48 hours. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for baby imprint kits, or simply click beneath this video.